What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you was goody was good. Hey guys, first of all, shout out to everyone that joined myEcon within the last 24, 48 hours over the weekend. Shout out to everyone that's joined ISP. Shout out to everyone that's just joined TCP. Guys, it was a beautiful last week. I didn't really get to post any videos. I shot multiple videos and didn't get to post any, so I just deleted them all and said, you know what, let's just shoot a relevant video, post this one, just to show you that we're still getting paid. Multiple payments came through over the weekend. And guys, you should be able, well, I'm not going to say be able to, because I know you can too, but you should be with us. You should be getting these weekly commissions from sharing with this opportunity with others. Where else can you go out here where you can make money with a program and it actually has something that people will need and need and need and need for years to come? You know, the credit industry is a big thing. You know, like I said, especially in the United States, credit is king when it comes to houses, real estate, anything like that. You know, if you want to, you know, get a loan, you know, like I said, unsecured, secured, it's a lot that goes deep into that. And when you don't know anything about it, or if your credit's messed up, you could be paying a lot more money for something that you want, or you can get turned down, denied, things like that, and which causes you to go to an emotional spiral. You know, I've been there so many times where I went to dealerships and I wanted a vehicle and they're like, no, you know, I didn't have the cash income that I should have. I also didn't have credit like I had. You know, there's times I messed it up, and I've actually shot in videos and explained this because I used to work at credit union, so I know how to fix my credit as well. But I didn't have the income to do the things that I needed to do at one point, so I couldn't do what I needed to. And that's what hindered me for a very long time. And then one day I was blessed to get back on top, to get back in a position where I can make the money, to get back on top, to start fixing my credit, to do those type of things, to create cash flow, to invest in other things like an online business. When I started investing in my online business started kicking out extra dough and money and whatever you want to call it, pesos. That also allowed me to use that money to invest in other things and pay off other things. So that's why I decided to actually join an online marketing business. So not only when I decided to join, an online business, I knew that this was going to be my out as far as time freedom, because I knew that where I was at, I couldn't position time. Yeah, it was money I was making, but the time, I just didn't have no time. So I said, let me get into a business where I can do these type of things online. And I've been in a lot of businesses online, but guys, this program that we're talking about right now, this is one of the best programs that I've ever been involved in, from just getting paid from the overrides, the direct sign-ups, the bonuses. I mean, there's so many ways that you can get paid. And the only thing we're doing is helping others fix their credit. Along with that, teaching them financial literacy, and also showing them, if they do have a 9-to-5, how they can maximize their W-4, fill out the W-4 correctly. And what that does, that allows you to unlock more allowances so you can bring home more money. So now you can pay off debt or invest in other things that are going to bring you money. See what I'm saying? So if your car payment is $400, you're creating an additional $200 to $500 from your from filling out your W-4 correctly. Now you can put that money towards a bill. So if your car payment is $4, you drop $5 on it, $6 on it. Now you're paying that car off in no time. Now you're able to use the extra money to invest in stocks or other things, crypto, start a business, whatever. You're able to do that now. So this is why I say we help you along the way. Not only that, if you're looking to build a team, we have a marketing system in place to pretty much put your business on autopilot. So the only thing you need to do is focus on lead generation strategies, which is getting people to your link. The marketing system is going to do all the selling and telling for you 24/7. So if you've seen names pop up, guys, trust and believe, I barely even talk to anybody. It's my marketing system that does it all, my YouTube videos. And these are the things that we teach you. YouTube videos and targeted leads. You don't have to chase family and friends. You don't have to go out and go to your family and say, hey, check out my business. We don't even bother family and friends. You know, I usually tell my family and friends it's too hard for you. You don't want to do it. But we show you guys how to do it when it's actually not hard. We just don't want to deal with family and friends, because you don't want to deal with them until you rocking and rolling. And then it's up to you if you want to do it. But I wanted to go ahead and wrap this video up, guys, because I got to get ready to get my boys off to school. I just wanted to show you guys that the weekend, we had a lot of people that come in over the weekend. Payments were coming in. They're still consistent, guys. I literally got you taken care of. So if you want to take a look into this business or any other business opportunity I have plethora of YouTube videos. And I would say go through the last month or so. These are all the recent things that we're promoting and talking about right now. So if you like any of it, check it out. But definitely get involved with something. Either way it goes, I'm going to help you. You know, I don't mind. You can message me. I can answer any questions. You know, people, that's one thing about me. I'm a sponsor that will talk back. You ask me a question, I will help you. Okay, I'm not one of those people that I get so many people, hey, my sponsor ain't talking to me. My sponsor, you know, they can't help. I'm literally answering questions for people that have different sponsors. But you know what? If you're lost in the game, you've been in this business and you need help, I'm going to also lead down my other marketing system / training program that literally teaches you everything from marketing, has marketing systems where you can brand yourself for your team and you can buy leads in the back office. These are people that have already requested information regarding making money online. So the only thing you need to do is just reach out to them. Come on now. Make it easy for yourself. All right. So this is your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video.